Hello coders, welcome back to Tech Chemistry. In this session we'll learn about Python project, which is studio management system using Django framework. So let's get started. In this studio management system project there are three modules: admin, client and photographers. Where admin manages client and photographer. Client can edit profile, view posters, book photographers, send payments, search photographer and send them feedback. Where photographers can create posts, view bookings, view feedback and approve payments. So let's log in as photographer and see photographers module. So this is photographer's login page where you can either log in or register. So let's sign up as photographer. After filling this form, you have to click on register button and it will go to login page where you can log in using ID and password. Let's log in. So as you can see, the message is showing that your account is not approved by team. So this means that admin have to approve your account in order to log in. So after getting approval of admin, now we can log in as photographer. As you can see, this is photographer's dashboard. In here you can see photographer name, mobile number, and you can see profile, and you can view all details and edit profile and change password, and you can add your you can view your info and uploads, and you can add your photography post where user can, like client can access your this one post and order you, like place book your order. So here photographer can create post and add title and select author, which is himself, and select category and add write about his blog and add images and add price, and he can submit. This is where photographers can see their uploads, and they can edit their post and delete their post as per their requirement. And here photographer can see their payments, approve payment and reject payment, and they can approve their booking or reject their booking also. And here they can see feedback. Now there is no feedback. So this is what photographer can do. So let's move on to admin side. As you can see, this is admin's login page. Let's log in. This is admin's username 123 and password that I will provide you in description. Let's log in. As you can see, there are 4 pending approvals and 3 active photographers and 3 active clients, 0 client request. This is where you can see photographers, client, photo category and database. So let's move on to photographer. Here you can see view all photographer details, and this is where you can access all photographers details, and you can also add photographer, and you can approve photographer request. You can either approve or delete as per your requirement. So let's move on to the client side. As you can see here, you can view all clients. Either you can update or delete your client. Here you can add client. Here you can approve client. Either you can approve or delete. Now there are no approval requests. Here you can see all categories which is made by admin. As you can see, the drop down will appear here. So this category list is made by admin for photographers. Either you can edit or delete. So let's create one category. Here you can add name of category and title and author, and description you can provide. If admin wants to visit database, he can visit database from here. This will allow admin to access Django administration database, where he can manage all data. So let's log out and see client side. So this is where client logs in. So let's type username and password. This is client's dashboard, and can see his name, mobile number, email, age, and client can book photographer, see profile and see feedback. So let's edit profile. This is where client can edit his or her profile and give feedback for photographer. And booking of photographer, here he can select photographer and select photography category. Here you can see payment. Client can send payment for photographer. So this is all about Studio Management System project. In the next session we'll be seeing more projects like this. Stay tuned.